Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for November 15th, 2013. It's currently Friday. It's 9 a.m. and we're ready for the weekend. And we have a southwesterly flow already starting to establish itself throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. We have temperatures already in the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior, mid to upper 40s just to the north and west of the major cities, and upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. Today is going to be a warmer day than what we've been experiencing the past few days, with an increase in cloud cover. We'll have a few scattered clouds here and there, and we'll have temperatures rising into the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior and mid to upper 50s throughout the rest of the region. Now, on the latest radar, you can see really there's not much going on out here throughout the northern mid-Atlantic, with tranquil and dry conditions in place for the most part. For this upcoming weekend, keep an eye on this disturbance. Now, this is going to be pretty interesting to watch because the model guidance really doesn't produce much in the way of precipitation here. And frankly, the radar presentation of this disturbance, well, there's more bark than there's actual bite. There really isn't much reaching the ground here. However, this has my attention. This subtropical jet influence here with some added moisture over the southeast. Now, right now, I think for this weekend, basically high pressure is in control. There could be an isolated shower tomorrow afternoon with this passing disturbance, but I really don't see much in the way of an impact other than some cloud cover. Temperatures tomorrow will range basically in the mid 50s throughout much of the region for highs. Low temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s, pretty much averaging near normal. But I really don't see much in the way as far as precipitation with this disturbance. But this right here is really just kind of, well, piquing my interest. And I'm curious to see how this is going to evolve over the next 24 to 36 hours, at least off the southeast coast. Once that disturbance moves through, high pressure will be in control again, once again, on Sunday, with a stronger southwesterly flow and temperatures very warm for this time of year in the upper 50s to lower 60s. Especially over the Philadelphia metropolitan area, along the coast in the New York City metropolitan area, more like the mid to upper 50s. So we are in a brief warm-up, but how long does it last? Well, let's take a look at the latest model guidance from the Penn State EWOL website using the European model guidance. So here we are for this afternoon, high pressures in control, dry conditions. Now notice at the mid-levels we have a lot of dry air in place, and that's what's pretty much going to limit any type of precipitation potential from this disturbance in the Tennessee River Valley. By tomorrow evening, that disturbance is rapidly lifting into New England, but again, there really isn't much in the way of moisture in the atmosphere. We have a little bit of moisture here to support cloud cover at 850 millibars right here, but other than that, really not much going on here. So again, could be an isolated shower, but that's about it. Sunday, very warm, very comfortable, high pressure is in control, and temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s. Now Monday is going to be one of those days where the high temperature is in the morning, where you're going to have temperatures basically in the lower to mid 60s ahead of this cold front, especially over the Philadelphia metropolitan area. New York City metropolitan area more like the upper 50s to lower 60s, the interior upper 50s. The timing of this cold front is key. The earlier it moves through, the faster the cold air comes in, and the less likely we'll see well above normal temperatures. So timing of the cold front is key. Also notice we're going to have the strongest upper level disturbances more towards the St. Lawrence River Valley. So yes, we'll see some scattered showers and a few heavy downpours, but I think the brunt of the heavy precipitation will be focused towards the Mohawk River Valley and points north and east towards New England. And not so much for our area. But the morning rush hour, nevertheless, with a little bit of rain, can be impacted. So keep an eye on that for Monday morning. And then Monday afternoon into Monday night, temperatures will be falling constantly through the 40s and eventually into the 30s. Now, for the rest of the week, I'm looking at high pressure in control, tranquil weather conditions, and temperatures averaging basically near to slightly below normal. We're looking at high temperatures basically ranging from the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast and in your urban locations in Philadelphia and New York City. Now keep an eye on this upper level low here. As it's pinwheeling around here around the Canadian Maritimes, that high pressure system more likely is going to be focused right around here. and that's going to produce a nice little northeasterly flow. So I think on Thursday we also end up cloudy and cool, with temperatures basically around 50 degrees to 47 degrees. Low temperatures throughout this entire period, generally running from the upper 20s to mid 30s for lows. Now, the next day on Friday, that's when we warm up once again out ahead of this Arctic cold front. Here's the disturbance with that Arctic cold front, and here's the Arctic air starting to pull into the northern plains. So Friday will be our warm day, with temperatures likely spiking through the 50s, possibly touching 60, and then we crash once again just in time for the upcoming weekend. That is the forecast discussion. Once again, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend, and as always, stay safe out there.